This is the model I got. If I turn it around, you can see right now it's displaying the typical game keys. But if you press this key, with the light on it, it switches mode. And as you can see now it's all red, so it's not just a rainbow, it's truly RGB. And this is the rainbow pattern. There are several of those. And this is a pattern where if you type a key, you can see a single key can make all the colors. And it has some other funky patterns. So yeah, it's definitely an RGB keyboard and not just a rainbow keyboard. I don't know why they spec it out like that, but and I must say I really like it, the typing. Unfortunately it's not for me but for my son, but he'll have a great typing experience on this. And I can press the Q without the tab hitting. That was something somebody else was saying. But so it's a fine keyboard and it's true RGB.